ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಘ ಕಶ್ಯಪ್. So those who have problem with deep neck, for you, here I have got a solution. So let us see what is that. Here is the 100 sets 9.5 mm snaps fastener toolkit for sewing and also crafting. You can also use these buttons for your deep neck clothes also. So let us see what and all that. This press stud tool kit contains 10 colors metal round hollow snaps, and also it contains solid snap buttons with a fastener press tool kit, and also you are provided with a box. So let us organize all of this. There will be a lock. You have to just press this and have to remove this, then only you can do this one like this, or else you will not be able to use this. So you can also put this in the wall. Here is a hole, you can hang this. The product is good, but I suggest use other things to make this tight. Thank you. And another thing is that if you don't want these buttons for next time, you can also detach this by using something. See, it comes. You have to put some pressure, then it comes. You can also detach this because it will be like this. Thank you.